it's meant for spare parts.
Yeah, well,
Where the Midland Railway would have had
all the homeless around there, and all the homeless and all the drinkers.
I'm missing them. Oh dear.
Tons of them, mate. Every corner. Capital of the world for beggars, Birmingham. Gospels. Every door.
I found that time around the 37 bus, all of us like over the place. But when I passed the sheds this morning, there was some making steam.
Something up with the rail up there the other day.
There what?
The rail up there the other day.
Tornado was supposed to be there, weren't they?
But you can't sort of buy a ticket at the gate.
No.
But the chap at Wall Street, one of the ticket collector, he said he's heard that some tickets going.
All right.
Well, I made a complete mess of things. I was going to take the girlfriend there on Sunday, and I have this problem of narcolepsy dropping off to sleep. Is this lady your good one?
It is, for the last 56 years.
Yeah. You're a very elegant lady.
So how old is the girl?
She's 55, she's a binge drinker. She smokes, not with me, she doesn't. And it's I want. When she's in the top form, she can give me lovely roast chicken dinner. But all the time.
On the plus side, you've got plenty to look forward to then. Buy like half of what's in the jeweller's windows and all the designer clothes, you get a chicken dinner.
Well, the chicken dinner can come cheap.
I'll get narcolepsy when my girlfriend talks to me like that. Do you know what narcolepsy is?
I recognise the picture. She used to be a nurse tutor. Not a lot, you know, she just can't about medical things.
Now, what's squeaking back there? Is that the corridor?
The midnight's not good. Yeah, well, it's, there's all sorts of dust and muck.
The rail was playing up
Yeah.
yesterday. Something was wrong with the rail.
I'm not too happy with the lifeguard situation on these.
Right. Not enough lifeboats.
On the old trams, somebody hit that front bit, went in, and then the trade-off dropped down.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, that was far better.
but these things here.
I can remember, I was born and bred in London, so I remember the London trams.
Yeah.
They finished in 52.
52, yeah.
I was born and bred in Balladihop.
Where?
Balladihop.
Where's that?
Nobody's ever heard of it before.
Oh!
It's South Cork.
Oh,
South East
yeah.
Cork. Ireland.
A long way from here.
Yeah.
And they had a
Noisy. It is too noisy. Oh, it's all right now for a minute.
As I see, we are on 3 bogies.
yes.
And so there must be a lot of ways on that middle one. How many motors are there? Any idea?
Well, I've no idea.
There's obviously no plan for
That's better now, isn't it?
Well, what happened to the other the ones that these replaced? Are they still in stock, are they?
Well, there are a few of them still around in the works at Wednesbury.
I mean, are they AC motors? Or, 'cause I mean, 750 volts DC.
Right.
But
but I wouldn't mind because DC's got a good bunch, hasn't it?